The construction as curves are graphical reports that displays the cumulative progress of a project. It is a tool used by construction companies to track a specific metric over time. The S-curves are graphical representations that depicts the cumulative progression of a project over time, with an S shape that captures the typical pace at which project advances, slow at the beginning, accelerating in the middle, and tapering off towards the end. Here, the curves are represented by area percent actual progress of structural steel, above ground piping fabrication, above ground piping erection, underground pipe laying, electrical and instrumentation, cable trays and conduits, and E&I cable pulling. Manpower planning is a very important tool and technique of human resource management. It basically aims at maintaining and improving the ability of an organization to attain the goals of an organization by developing and utilizing properly its human resources. Forecast scheduling is the practice of periodically updating your project schedule in order to keep your project and dates current. Forecast dates for the arrival of structural steel. Forecast dates for the above-ground piping fabrication. Forecast dates for the above-ground piping erection. Forecast dates for the underground pipe laying. Forecast dates for E&I cable trays and conduits. Forecast dates for E&I cable pulling. Thank you.